problem solving section, and this problem is called Decrypt String from alphabet to integer mapping. Okay, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. So given string as is formed by 0, 9 and sharp, and we need to map S to English lowercase characters as follows. So A to I are represented by 1 to 9, and the J to Z are represented by 10 sharp to 26 sharp. Okay. And so for this, you just map 10 sharp to J, and 11 sharp to K, and 1 to A to the B, and same for the rest. Okay, and so in this case, you know that you must turn the sharp into the you must describe all the character contain sharp, and after that you just replace it in the original character. Okay, so I already built. This is a special case, special dictionary from 10 sharp map to J, 11 sharp means K, and up to 26 sharp map to Z, and your original just 1 from 9, just A, just 1 from 9, just A to I. Okay, so originally I gave X to S, and for each I in the special keys. Special keys means 10 sharp, 11 sharp, 12 sharp. I replace this sharp number, this sharp to be its original. So this is just Decrypt from the special character. And after that, I do the same thing for the original character, just for the simple character. And that's it. Okay. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, and also very fast. And the memory usage is somehow large because I created these two dictionaries. Okay, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next videos. Thanks.